Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today, on 13 May, we have community Scrum, and then today also, I would like to say happy Eid Mubarak to everyone that celebrate it. And then actually today we have some improvement on the discussion management, and also we decide to cover three topic today, and then until get the conclusion. Also, we also agreed to use the new format for the discussion management using the Q&A, so we can focus it on the answer and the question, so that will be connected. And then also, maybe I will ask Asa, could you please make a new table, Asa, for this column, for this SLA column to be separate. Just put it on here above the brainstorming.
Oh, oke oke.
So yeah, so it will be pin every discussion. Thank you. Today I will start from the first topic. This is regarding the building block for CM. So this is actually very interesting because this is very fundamental discussion about this building block, because this is kind of like our flow in our work in CM. Okay, first I will open this picture first. Okay, actually Asa and Orafik has answered the meaning or the explanation about this building block, but I will just repeat it for you guys. The first, there are an input. So from this input, this is kind of like the agreement within two chapter, or what's called the two people in the team that agree to create a surface level agreement, like that. So we have the surface level agreement stage here, and then from the surface level agreement stage, there are a number of agreement that we agree between two person or two chapter. So to support this SLA, and then to achieve this SLA, we need a campaign. Okay, so we need a campaign to achieve this SLA. From this campaign, there are actually two ways to get a result and then also become our asset. So from the first, in the right side, there are a campaign. From the campaign, we also can do the pivot. We can do the pivot for support the campaign, like that. So if our what's called our stage, in because in campaign there are some stages, for example like awareness, there are conversion, there are engagement, there are advocacy. So each stage they have a progress. But if one of the stages is there is a slow progress, or there is no progress, or like a stuck, we can do the pivot. Okay, so for the pivot itself, the goal is we can what's called we can start to make a progress of our of the states again, like that. So the pivot also is important to make sure the campaign is running well. Okay, so from the pivot, there are a pivot here. The pivot also can produce the result. Okay, so from the pivot, there are also can produce the result. For example, I will give the real example of the partner contract campaign. So the partner contract campaign, Om Rafiq make a pivot for the meeting the partner offline, for example, to get the partner more faster to sign, or easier the partner to know how to sign, like that. So because why the Om Rafiq make this pivot? Because from the online outreach, the progress is very slow. Is that right, Om? Okay, so that's why Om Rafiq meet the partner directly, so make the progress is much faster. And then from that pivot, actually produce the result. The result is partner sign the contract. Okay, so for that, that's an output, right? Okay, but actually, the good campaign can produce two. There's a result and asset, like that. So the asset itself, or the byproduct, we can say in our in the CM as a advocacy like that. So the advocacy, so actually each campaign in the CM need to have advocacy stage, not until the result, because the result that the result is like the end, the journey is end like that, right? After they sign, okay, that's all like that. But actually from after the partner sign, we have an opportunity to make as an our advocacy. For example, after the partner, when the partner sign the contract, we can take a moment like that, or video or status that, hey, today I'm visit this, and then this partner extending the contract like that, and then you can video filming the partner or shooting like a, you can asking, hi, why you want to extend this contract, what is your concern, why you like that. You can just ask some question that related about the owner is extending the contract like that, and then we can upload it, and then actually that become our asset like that. So that video is our asset, right? Nah, so from that video, actually we don't need to tell all the partner that why you need to sign the contract, but actually we can all the partner can see that video why this partner signed the contract. So you don't need to tell everyone, but your existing partner already tell why, what is the reason they want to extend the contract. So actually, our existing partner tell to other partner, oh, this is the reason why why I extend the contract like that. But that's actually uh, we can optimize our campaign like that. But from the asset, it's not an active result, but that's more like a passive result. What is mean passive is we are not what's called actively pushing the partner to sign the contract, but the partner can see the video, and then if luck, the partner just what's called don't need to ask us like hey, why I need to sign this, why I need to extend the contract. But by just see the video, they don't need to tell or discuss with us. They just, okay, I will sign because I saw the other partner is extend the contract because of this like that. So that's actually will be a good flow for our work like that. Yeah, so this is actually what I want to explain to you guys. So for each campaign, I believe you guys handling one what's called a campaign, right? And then I would like you guys to revise your campaign, become a complete stage like that. So you can create a proposal or improvement on your each campaign. So you can revise it, and then maybe in the next meeting, I would like to see the result or the new proposal for your campaign like that. Okay, actually that's from my side. Do you have any question? Maybe Om Rafiq, do you have any questions so far about this building block?
So far, it's good. Already watching your video with Jing
Okay,
yesterday.
that's good.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, so do you agree to improve your campaign to make one more stage like a advocacy stage?
Yes, sir. I would like to do that.
Okay, thank you, Om Rafiq. So actually, that will be more make your work efficient. So so you can reduce to meet offline to explain why you need to extend the contract. But when you meet the partner offline, they just ready to sign because they already watched the video like that. Okay, and then Asa Swift, what do you think? What is the new opportunity did you see here?
Okay, actually, I got also the same explanation with Mr. Ching, just like several days ago. The same with what you have gained the information from the video as well. I believe it also explains this building block. So yeah, I think this is great. So we can know further about what are we currently doing and also the reason as well as the purpose of doing it as well. By knowing the assets and also what can we do to improve it. So
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, so actually, this is very fundamental, right? As you know, like this is our like basic things that we need to understand first, like that. So I'm happy that you guys already understand about this building block. I think this is our right direction, like that. So this is very helpful to run our campaign, and then we can know when we need to start the campaign, when we know to start the pivot, and then when we can use this as the asset, like that. Okay, then so from this, I would like to make the conclusion. Asa, you can write it. So the conclusion is CM will start to use this new building block concept, and then applying to the CM work, and then the actionable is uh, its project champion or its campaign champion will refine again their own campaign, so its campaign have an advocacy stage, like that. Okay, is there anyone have other conclusion from this? Maybe Asa or Om Rafiq?
Kak Tanti, maybe I'd like to ask, why don't we put initiative there in our building block?
Okay, so actually, initiative and campaign and pivot, right? That's
Mhm.
actually different, different what's called different concept. So the initiative, this is my opinion, right? This is my opinion, but maybe you guys also can revise me if I'm wrong. So initiative is for me it's a new idea that we want to apply or we want to start, like that. This it initiative, it's kind of like a beginning when we start our engine, like that. And then for the initiative itself, usually for that idea we will use the MVP, right? We will use an MVP to make our to make the initiative is approved to be our project or campaign, like that. So we want to make sure, okay, this project I think will be work, like that. So the initiative is like a new idea that we want to start as our proposal. It's a kind of like proposal to supporting our SLA, like that. And then after our initiative is approved, is like okay, all the stage is good, all the strategy is good, and then the result is what like what we hypothesize, what is our hypothesis, and then the KPI is good, SLA, and then also the SLA is good, then we can convert it to be our campaign, like that. So the campaign itself, the real what's called the real things to support the SLA, but the initiative is still kind of like experiment. Experiment is like a new experiment, like a new idea, like that. But uh, why we not said that as a pivot, right? Because why? Because if there is no idea, no new idea, then there is no pivot, because we don't know which work is working and not, like that. Okay, so when we have new idea, it's called initiative. Okay, so after the initiative, we can make as a campaign. Then in the campaign, when we spread out to the bigger audience, for because initiative we use MVP, right? Maybe we use the example, the also the sample of our partner or ads. But in the campaign, we roll out to the all partner. Okay, so when we roll out to the all partner for our campaign or all audience, then we will find some friction or some challenge on that on the campaign. Then for fix that challenge, or for what's called to 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 find a solution for that challenge, we can make the pivot, like that. So we can make pivot. Okay, for example, like in the awareness stage, or the awareness is very low, like that. And then we can make a pivot. Okay, we can choose another channel. We can choose another time. We can use another other audience like that. So that's kind of like a pivot like that, because one of our state is stuck like that or slow like that. Okay, so that's actually my opinion, but maybe you can just write it down, Asa, and then maybe we can reconfirm to Jing or Lilis about my opinion. So you guys also can have a clear explanation about the initiative like that. Okay, maybe is that answer your question, Asa?
Yeah, that actually kind of makes it more clearer. Just need to reconfirm each other's
Reconfirm. Yeah.
explanation for further.
Okay, thank you. And then, Om Rafiq, do you have any question regarding this topic, building block? Okay, thank you. Okay, then, so I would like to move to the next topic. Is it
Oh
okay?
yeah, Kak Tandy, is it
Yes,
okay
Asa?
if I delete our sophistication in this building block, like your proposal to structure for question and answer?
For the proposal?
You have written down the proposal new structure for question and answer for discussion management. I think that's not the part of our
Yes.
building block topic.
Okay, I think we can delete. Okay, so actually can be like this, Asa. So in here you can put the title, new best practice, and then this is the previous practice.
Oh,
So
okay.
everyone know what is the difference, and then when we apply this new best practice, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Asa. And then for the proposal, I think you can just leave it there. No, I think no worries, because there's already title previous practice. So in below there are a new practice. Okay, so I will move to the next topic. This is regarding the partner transformation goal. Okay, I think this is interesting also. Om Rafiq udah ketawa-tawa ya. And then this is actually the question from Jing about the partner transformation goal. And then the second one is, how many positively transform partner do we want to achieve every month? Okay, so actually, I was thinking this is uh, exactly our mission, right? This is actually our mission, because we want to inspire, delight, and transfer our partner, right? That's actually our mission. And then in the and then, like, what's called, in the fact, we don't have the goal for the partner transformation. We forgot that our mission, right? Because this is actually our target or our goal. We can make this as our monthly goal as well, right? Monthly target like that. Okay, so this is a good. I think Jing heads up a great topic here. So the first question. I would like you guys to answer the first question. So, do we have a partner transformation goal? Do we already have or not, Asa?
Actually, I'm still wondering about this as well. So
Yeah.
I don't really want to just pick up without any considering data. So yeah, I think because we don't have the data, then we don't have it yet.
Okay, that's right. Okay, I think Om Rafiq also agree, yeah, about that, because we don't have yet. And then, yeah, maybe you can put it there. And then, when we know that we don't have that goal yet, right? And then we need to make a new plan to create that goal, to get that transformation goal. Okay, maybe to Om Rafiq. So what is the first step to 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 start this what you call? I think this goal can be our internal SLA, right? Internal SLA about the partner transformation, like that. How many partner that we transform every month, like that. Okay, so what is our first step to make this nyata gitu, untuk start gitu, Om?
Okay, thank you, Dandy. I
Ya,
think the first is question exactly.
ya,
What is exactly the transformation goal? What is exactly the for example, give just give a simple example, for example.
ya,
So if we know the example, we will know how the step to do that, right?
Yeah.
So, what is the transformation that the partner needed from us
Okay.
exactly? Coba
Okay.
coba ada dan coba contoh deh.
Okay. So kalau aku boleh, if I might back to the building block ya. Ya, okay. So actually the partner transformation can be in the SLA stage. And then actually we have some campaign that supporting that SLA, the partner transformation. But we don't really think that is supported to that partner transformation. For example, like property quality control. Okay,
Hmm.
how we know the partner is transformed by the property quality control? For example, okay, from the first because first they get the bad review. Okay, but then we go there, we check, we give the recommendation, they renov, they improving their service or their building, or they like despite to they renovation everything. After that there is a new guest, and then also a new there is a new guest stay there, and then they happy, more than happy from the previous guest, because the partner is improving the cleanliness, they're improving the service, they're improving the building concept or everything. That's actually because our partner is transformed from us, because we inspire them to improve, to 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 be better, more better, like that. And then from that transformation, we how we approve the partner is transformed is by the review of the guest, the successful implementation. And then from the previous bad review, then we got a 5-star review, and then that's actually a proof that our partner is transformed. Because in the middle, in the because this is the start stage is the bad review, and then the end stage is good review, and then we are working in the middle stage to transform our partner, to improve, and then they heard us, they implement, and then they inspire to improve their self or their property, like that, I think. And then we can count that as a partner transformation, Om. Gitu. Jadi kita bisa bisa hitung itu sebagai partner transformation. Jadi partner transformation itu bisa dari setiap campaign yang kita lakukan, Om. Kayak gitu. Jadi campaign apa aja sih yang support SLA ini? Makanya so actually I would like to break down of our SLA. SLA apa aja sih yang ada di CM gitu. SLA ini. Nah, dari SLA itu campaign mana aja sih yang support SLA itu, kayak gitu. Jadi kita bisa tahu gitu. Jadi kita bisa dapat have a clear vision which campaign is actually support the SLA. So actually we not run an campaign but there is not support any SLA, right? That's actually wasting our time, wasting everything, right? Because why we make the campaign? Because we want to achieve the SLA, right? But if there is no SLA that we want to achieve, why we make the campaign? There is no goal like that, right? Yes, Asa?
Kak Tandi, is it possible for us if we accidentally find new SLA during our time in doing our work gitu?
Yes, can be. For example, like this. For example, there is a new, new, new topic, new idea from Jing, right? Where is the transformation goal? Actually, that can be the SLA. That can be the SLA, like either that's external or internal SLA. But for this SLA we need to break it down again. Who is the server and who is the client of this SLA, of the partner transformation, right? Who is the our client? Is it the company? Is it or digital marketing or BI, like that? Who is our client? Then after that we can actually see again, is it one of our campaign supporting this SLA already, or there is no campaign that supporting this SLA yet. If there is no campaign supporting this SLA yet, then we can create a new campaign. That's why that's a time that we can create the new campaign, asa, like that. But if if there is a existing campaign that already support this SLA, we can optimize that campaign like that. For example, like this, the partner transformation, we can actually get the result from the one or two campaign that we already what's called run. For example, like a partner property quality control, because that's actually transform our partner, and then also the vlog itself, like the social media. I think that's also can transform because they willing to spend their time, their value time, to make tips, property tips or something. That's actually also transform our partner. The partner is transformed also, and then also maybe the the partner contract, they also transform by extending the contract. I think they still believe or think or trust with BV. The BV can still innovate their property like that. So actually, yeah, I think the first stage of the to make this is happen, I think we can create an SLA for the partner transformation that, and then also we can create the KPI. What is the KPI? What is the SLA? We need to create a card. So the first we need to create the card about this, but uh, to make sure to reconfirm this an external or internal SLA, I think I would like to discuss with Elise. Yeah, maybe you can put there like then we will discuss with Lilis either this is internal or external SLA. Then I would like to let you know guys if this is our internal or SLA, external SLA for this. Okay, and then the second one is how many positively transfer partner do we want to achieve every month? Okay, so we have the for now we have 100